And here we go, test number 1. The displays should turn off in a few seconds. The left one is on the DisplayPort, the right one is on the HDMI. As you can see, LED have turned off. Both shows no signal. But the one on the right has completely turned off, which is correct. And the one on the left didn't go fully sleep, but it's still waking up. And it never turned off. It will cycle through this signal acquiring endlessly. Not sure this is AMD fault or Windows issue, but I saw many tweets about it. It's not resolved since 2016. As you might know, modern GPUs doesn't have two HDMI ports, they have one, and they got 3 DisplayPorts outputs, so you can't connect two HDMI displays.